In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 increases. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. One chain stitch is done. Then work 6 increases. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. These 2 small V shapes, which stand for the snip stitch of previous round, and the chain stitch of this round. They are not counted into the number of stitches. We'll work the first increase in the stitch where we just worked the snip stitch of last round. Pay attention to the needle. We need to work 2 single crochets in each of the stitches. The hook should go through both loops of the V shapes to finish the following stitches. Now, work the first increase. We need to work 1 single crochet first. Insert hook into the first stitch, where we just worked the snip stitch of last round. Yarn over the hook, and pull up loop through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then yarn over the hook, and pull through both loops on the hook. One single crochet is done. Mark the first single crochet. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. Two single crochets are in the same stitch. That's 1 increase. Increase. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch, we'll show how to work 1 increase. First, work a single crochet in the next stitch. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. One increase is done. There are two V shapes on the side. Continue to work 5 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Six increases are done. We can see 2 small V shapes here. One is a snip stitch of previous round, and the other one is a chain stitch of this round. They are not counted into the number of stitches. Skip these 2 V shapes. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the mark stitch. Insert the hook into the mark stitch. Yarn over the hook and pull up loop through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then pull the first loop on the hook through the ranging loop on the hook. That's 1 snip stitch. The snip stitch serves as a collection. It's not counted into the number of stitches. Round 2 is done. Pay attention to the yarn's tightness during crocheting. If the yarn is too tight, we can't insert the hook easily. If it's too loose, the fabric will be out of shape. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work set off 1 single crochet or increase for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. The chain stitch and the slip stitch are not counted into the number of stitches. Work one chain stitch first. The first set, work one single crochet in the first stitch, where we just worked the slip stitch of last round. Mark the first stitch. Then work one increase in the next stitch. We need to work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One single crochet and one increase are finished. There are 3 V shapes on the side. Once that is done, the second set. Work one single crochet. In the next stitch, work one increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Keep working for more sets. Work one single crochet and one increase as one set. 6 sets are done. Skipping these 2 small V shapes formed by the snip stitch and the chain stitch. Work 1 snip stitch in the mark stitch. Remove the marker. Work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 3 is done.